Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our CV Challenge online talk show. I'm Tian. Today, we invited two experts from a worldwide famous science team. They developed a software that can observe changes in the Earth's environment. Before today's conversation, let's see a video.
Since the existence of the Earth, the landform has never stopped changing. The causes of variations of the landform are not only natural ones, but also deeply related to human behaviors. Due to the increase of global population and human productivity over these years, the Earth's temperature keeps rising and the environment keeps getting worse. It leads to glacier melting, the rising of sea level, and floods. Finding and analyzing changes in global environment is an important subject.
Our guests are Mr. Han and Mr. Wang. Welcome to our talk show. As we all know, your team has developed an extraordinary app. How did you do it?
Actually, in our app, we divided into three parts. We find the common parts of environment image, and we find the highlights of the images. And then we use a waterlight method to analyze the changes of our images. So in the first part, then we find the same area or the same parts from the different images. Actually, when we analyze the images, we first need to find the same area of image. We call that image registration, and we use the cursor or self algorithm to find the same part, the feature points of two images, and then we matching it, and we use the scan algorithm to eliminate the error points. On Amanda, we use the 4-point algorithm to find out the rotation or the transform relationship between two images.
Your ideas are really great. Can you show us some results from your work?
Okay. First, select the pictures. You can choose pictures in dataset or your own pictures. You can overview your picture below. And after that, choose 4 pictures you want to compare. Click Ready and Start, and if you get pictures of their overlapping areas, you can click anywhere in the red box, and the common parts of the 4 pictures are displayed here. Click Normal in the highlight to select the 2 pictures to be compared and adjust their parameters. And finally, get highlight pictures. In K-means, you can select the number of clusters and the number of iterations, and you will get the effect of 4 images after clustering. And of course, you can name each cluster from left to right. The following are 3 visualization methods. In the heat map, you can select 2 pictures for comparison. And you will get a heat map showing the magnitude of change in color. In bar mode, you will get a histogram. You can clearly see the changes of each category over time. And in time-lapse mode, you can customize the speed of picture, switching and getting the ideal play.
Thank you very much, Mr. Han and Mr. Wang, for coming to our program today. It was really a great pleasure talking with you. Okay, this is the end of today's talk show, and I hope see you all next time. Bye bye.